More bad weather is bearing down on the hurricane-ravaged Bahamas. Tropical depression Humberto strengthened Friday night into a tropical storm and was threatening some of the same islands devastated by Hurricane Dorian earlier this month. The storm was about 130 miles off the coast of Great Abaco Island, the National Hurricane Center said. The tropical storm comes as an international rescue operation is continuing in parts of the Bahamas after Hurricane Dorian lashed the islands at the beginning of September. At least 50 people died in the hurricane, but officials believe the toll could climb. Some 2,500 people from the islands remain missing. Residents are scrambling to prepare for the next potential hit as the cleanup continues. I mean, we really don't need another hurricane. As you can see, we don't need another one. But we just have to prepare. Bahamas residents Anetra Higgs told CBS News. Share this. Let's block ads. Why?